మా दीदी మీరు వేరే బ్యాచ్ నెంబర్ 2 జాయిన్ అయినారు. అది బ్యాచ్ నెంబర్ 5 అన్ని మేము ఎప్పుడు ఇందాక జాయిన్ అయ్యేది 1 ఇప్పుడు 2 మా అమ్మ మాట్లాడింది స్నానం చేస్తున్నా అనుకున్నా నేను అందుకే ఏమా అదే మర్చిపోయినా మళ్ళీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మర్చిపోయినావులేమ్మా బ్యాచ్ నెంబర్ 1 5 రెండే సూపర్ ఇస్తారా ఇదే క్లాస్ లో వచ్చి
of you.
Madam, good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir. Let's have a small interaction and then we can start our PPT. Hello.
Madam, small request, madam.
Sir, please.
Madam, today onwards some college students have exams, madam.
Sir, okay. Then what do we do?
Madam, is my voice is audible, madam?
Yeah, sure. Audible,
madam, try to end the session by 10:45, 10:50, madam. Because they had exams on 11 a.m., madam.
Okay, right. By 11 they have to. Okay, sir. Right, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
By 11? Okay, madam. For your, thank you.
Okay. So within half an hour we have to end the session, right? Okay then. Students, good morning all of you. Just let confirm me that on Saturday I have given some tasks to you all. How many of you are ready? How many of you are ready with your news reading task? If you are ready, please raise a hand. I hope I'm audible to all. If not, please text me. See, if you are not ready with your presentation with news reading, please give me text. If you are ready, then please raise your hand. What, nobody? Yes. So right, then nobody is ready. then let's start the session. And today we are going to again discuss on English in media watching and listening to the audio clips. Right, let's recap all the topics what we have discussed previously. Sir, I request you to move on to the next slide. Yes, English in media watching and listening to clips for the information. Please move on to the next one. So why English is necessary for us and how we can learn by using media. It is because automatically we can know we can learn the native language by using this media. So you all know that what all comes under media. Please click on sir. Yes. So we learn our native language through a social environment. It's nothing but it's media tools and everything. As you have earlier discussed, we have all discussed. And it is also demands us to communicate well, not only in our own language, but also using an international language like English. So the major role played by English through media. That was the reason that we are learning this topic since 2-3 days onwards. Yes, please move on to the next one, sir. Yes, sir, please move on. Yes, what is media? So generally, we all know that media are type of devices which instructs us to transmit our learning facts like skills, attitudes, knowledge, and additional material. Like even we are in our Zoom session, like virtual class, this is also one part of a media. So it makes us to learn easily and makes us to teach different methods, make you to learn easily. So for this media, there are lot many tools which comes under that. Even your mobile phone also comes under media. Audio tools, audio tapes, radios, CDs, telephones, even the print like newspapers, textbooks, leaflets, like even pictures also comes under media which educates us. Even we like videos and films also makes us to learn many things by using this media. Yes, media also helps us to improve our knowledge. That's great, Krishnamurthy. So listening to news in English, already previously we have already discussed it. We are recapping it today. So by listening English, you are going to improve your vocabulary. You're going to know new words. You're going to improve your accent and you can get the style of speaking skills in English. That is why I asked you earlier to listen English news channels. And you all know that there are plenty of news channels in English and you have all named them also. So what is news? So actually news means NEWS, north, east, west and south, means the total information we are gathering from all the directions is called as news. And it is also derived from a Latin word called nova, which means to know new things. Why we have to learn English through news? It is a great way of improving our vocabulary. And we can learn skills and we can learn. Excuse me. Sir, is there any issue for you to share the screen? Please come back a bit. So by listening to news, we can develop the skills of appearance, we can develop the skills of accent, we can develop the skills of description, how to describe, how to speak, how to express. These are the things we can learn by listening to news. So there are many more important things to us. Even we can have an interaction with the media people and we can develop our English skills and we can text them also. And the importance of listening skills to news in English is because English is a global language for us to learn. And we can also share a good experiences to people. And all knows that, like, the breaking news, highlighted news, important news, and foreign news, international news, and also you tells about the business news. All these are the important things to you all to learn, to speak, to practice, to expertise. This is one type of tool to all because the mobile phone is one of the media in your hands. You are going to get many more apps. With that, you are getting updated information and you have to choose the right one to get on. So likewise, this media is very helpful to you all. Right? And let's get into a small task so that how far you are you are knowing the English things. So there is a small activity to you all. So with that activity, you can display and you can watch the displaying images, and that images you have to text me. Means you have to message me in the chat box. Right? Are you ready? Lakshmanamma. Okay. Ready. Oh, very good. Right. Now I request our coordinator sir to display the slides. Yes. That's great. So here are some images I'm going to show you. So the fastest finger first should text me the image name. Ready, Pavan? Right. Okay, Pavan. Ready? Great. Okay. So please move on to the next slides. There is an activity slide. You have to display that. Yes. Can you guess? Now here is your first image. Yes, sir. Please display. It's not thinking. It's just question, and your slide will come now. So please move on to the next slide, sir. Yes, of course. They are movie slides, Krishnamurti. You people has to identify the names. Correct names you have to text me in the chat box. Sir, is everything okay? Chinna Veeresh, Gandala Lakshmana. It's not thinking, it's a activity slide అండి ఇంకా మీకు స్లైడ్స్ డిస్ప్లే అవ్వలేదు just please give me a second. Okay, right. What you will do now, I will display the slides and you please write down. And when I ask you the questions, you please start answering. Write the number and the name of the image. Right. Okay, here is your first image. Yes, it's your first image only. Come on. Who is the fastest finger first? Yes, Frozen to Tarun. That's great. Okay, next image, please. It's not Cinderella. Tarun got point, first point, 1 point. Yes, Frozen. Sir, I request you to move on to the next slide. Tarun. The fastest finger gets the mark. Right, got a good response. Amruta, Akhila, Krishnamurti, Naveen. It's not Rosen, Samson. There is a small mistake, Nana. Please identify the mistakes. Sir. See, all of you keep the things written and I'll ask you the image number and then you can. Right. This is the second image. I think my screen is visible to you all. Name the second image, please. That's great, Tarun. Ice Age. Right. Yes, Ice Age. Next. Next. Next image. The Lion King, Kiran Kumar. That's great. Okay. Next. Very good, Sanjay. Minions. That's great. Next image. Who is this Kota? Sanjay Kung Fu Panda. That's great. Kiran Kumar, Spider-Man. Okay. Great, Tarun. Wonder Woman. That's great. Wow. So you all have randomly answered very fast, but of course we have chosen the fastest finger first, right? Then Tarun has answered for 3 slides. Kiran has answered for 2, and the same Sanjay has answered for 2. So here the winner is Tarun, and runner-ups Kiran and Sanjay. Tarun is in 3 points. Kiran and Sanjay is in 2 points. So claps to you both, you 3 of you. That's great, man. Good response. Wonder Woman, 1978. Okay. Right. Here, one more task to you all. Coming to our topics. So there are 2 activities for you all. And the first one is listening. Okay. So here I will, Maya buzzer. Right. So here I will give you some audio clips. Means I will play some audio clips. By listening to that, you have to identify the activity name. The person or a student who texts me first, and that person will get 2 marks for this activity. Ready? Okay, right. Listen carefully, and you have to name them.
Cat. Dog. The JDS leader also attacked Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, saying that those who tolerate an insult to the honor of the land and its language shouldn't be allowed to hold the reins of the state's administration. Congress party in Karnataka also joined in the chorus on the language debate.
No, we have always been fighting for this.
I'll play this audio clip again. I hope you all listening to
The
this.
JDS leader also attacked Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, saying that those who tolerate an insult to the honor of the land and its language shouldn't be allowed to hold the reins of the state's administration. Congress party in Karnataka also joined in the chorus on the language debate.
No, we have always been fighting for this.
See, I hope you all listening to this. See, ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు చూసారండి. నేను ఇక్కడ ఆడియో క్లిప్స్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నాను, మీరు విని. ఐ హావ్ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్టెడ్. నేను ప్లే చేసిన ఆడియో క్లిప్ ని విని యాక్టివిటీ ఏంటో చెప్పాలి. Yes, I have started, Vamsi. Please listen.
The JDS leader also attacked Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, saying that those who tolerate an insult to the honor of the land and its language shouldn't be allowed to hold the reins of the state's administration. Congress party in Karnataka also joined in the chorus on the language debate.
No, we have always been fighting for this.
Is my audio clip clear to you all? Or if not, shall I play again? That's great, Manikumari. News headlines. Got 2 marks. Yes, here is one more.
Stop our vehicles. Green light means we have to go. After the green light, when the traffic signal shows yellow light, we have to slow down to stop our vehicle. Have
That's
you
great,
seen
Shiva.
any road symbols?
Instructions about signals.
What
Signal
does
lights?
each of them mean?
Of course, traffic rules. That's great, Krishnamurthy. Traffic rules, exactly. Got 2 bucks. Here is your another clip.
Passengers for flight GA642 to Rome, please go to gate 26.
Now practice catching flight announcements, filling in the gaps with the right information. Announce. Passengers for flight KL723 to Paris. Passengers for flight KL723 to catch flight announcements. Filling in the gaps with the right information. Announcement 1. Passengers for flight KL723 to Paris. Passengers for flight KL723 to catch flight announcements. Filling in the gaps with the right information. Announcement 1.
That's great, Shiva. It's flight announcements.
Your attention please. Train number 56382 Kayangulam, Ernakulam passenger via Alapi is at Kayangulam Junction. Platform number 3.
Yes, Naveen, it's railway announcement. Previous announcement is for flight announcements, and at that time you have answered railway announcement. So that is a wrong answer. So now this one I have played, it's railway announcement. Yes, Naveen. Yes, that's great. So these are the important tasks to you all, which are related to the media. Though they grabs your attention by listening, that you are able to identify that what you are listening and what you're going to answer it. So many students have answered and you have all responded very well. Out of that, who has given the right answer first to that question, for them I have awarded the marks. But of course, previous task, there are winners and runners, but here so many winners are there. Like Mani Kumari, she has answered for first question, she got 2 marks. Krishnamurthy, 2 marks. Shiva, 2 marks. And Naveen, 2 marks. So likewise, because you are habituated to the media. So by listening that, you can easily identify that what is what. So media ante manki only TV channels to paatu ఏదైతే sounds by listening sounds and everything, you can easily identify. So మీకు న్యూస్ హెడ్లైన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో తెలుసు, ఫ్లైట్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్స్ తెలుస్తుంది, రైల్వే అనౌన్స్మెంట్స్ తెలుస్తుంది, ట్రాఫిక్ రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో తెలుస్తుంది. సో Likewise, ఇంకా చాలా ఏమైనా సౌండ్స్ లైక్ యానిమల్ సౌండ్స్ అయినా లేకపోతే వేరే అదర్ లైక్ చూడండి మీలో చాలా మందికి మీడియా చాలా ఇష్టం, లైక్ మూవీస్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ఏదైనా ఒక సాంగ్ గానీ ఒక డైలాగ్ గానీ వినపడంగానే అది ఏ మూవీలోదో చెప్పేస్తారు. చూద్దామా? This is the last question for you, last audio clip for you. Who will answer for this? They'll get 2 marks, right? Here is your audio clip. Okay, Krishnamurthy. That's great. That's great. You have all responded very well. Okay. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు, లేని వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళకి నచ్చింది చూస్తారు, ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ ఫన్ అండి. సో లైక్ అంటే మీడియా మనకి ఎలా అయినా గుడ్ అనేది లేదా అది ఎలా మోటివేట్ అవ్వాలనడానికి సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో యూ ఆల్ అన్లైక్ ఎవరైతే మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేశారో వీళ్ళందరూ మూవీ చూసారని అర్థమైపోయింది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ యూ ఆల్. ఇట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ క్రాక్. ఓకే, రైట్. లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్. And here the task is, నేను ఒకరిని పిలుస్తాను, మీరు రీడింగ్ స్కిల్స్ టాస్క్ కి ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి. Sir, I request my coordinator that, sir, are you ready to share screen?
Madam, okay, madam.
Okay, there is an activity for, అంటే ఇప్పుడు పిక్చర్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ చేసాము and we have done listening skills. English and media watching loki ivanni vastayi. These are the tasks that how they are very related to the media ane daniki. These are the tasks for them, activities for them. So the last task is reading andi. So listening skills baga activity baga participate chesaru, and identification of picture also they have done well. So now we are coming for the reading skills. So ikkada entante I will call upon a student, and that student we will give you the unmute option, and that student has to read a story which is displayed on the screen. And now our star displays here the session ends, and the topic continues for tomorrow also.
Okay, madam, got it, madam.
Right, it's just for 2 minutes only. I do not waste your time as you are going for your exams. Is Tejasagar is available? Tejasagar, are you there? Tejasagar, is he there?
Madam, I had given him mute option, but he doesn't respond.
So he's not then. Tejasagar is available then. So Tejasagar is in the session. Then
Madam, he is in.
Okay, then give unmute option to Kiran Kumar. Kiran, are you ready? Why is everyone ready?
Kiran Kumar.
Kiran Kumar, are you ready? Okay, then, sir, please unmute Kiran Kumar and display the reading activity, sir.
Okay, madam. I had given permission him, he muted.
Okay, right, that's right. That's a reading activity, sir. Next, move on. Please move on. Just a before slide. Yes, this is a story about having a best friend. And Kiran, here your task starts. Please unmute yourself and start reading. Yes, you have to unmute yourself, Kiran.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
The story tells the two friends were walking through a desert. During some points of the journey, they had an argument, and one friend slapped the other one in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything, wrote in the sand, the best friend slapped me in the face.
So please move on to the next slide.
They kept on walking until they found an oasis where they decided to talk a bath. The one who had been slapped got stuck in the mire and started drowning, but the friend saved him. After they recovered from the near drowning, he wrote 1 year strong.
Please move on, sir.
Today, my best friend saved my life. The friend who had slapped and saved his best friend asked him, "After I hurt you, you wrote in the sand, and now you write on a stone. Why?"
Read even the picture. Actions speak louder than words.
Yeah. Actions speak louder than.
Correct, right. Louder
The
than
other friend
words. Okay.
replied,
Next. Yes.
The other friend replied, "When someone hurts us, me should write it down in sand. Our winds of forgiveness can erase in a way, but when someone does something good for us, we must engrave in it stone, where no wine can ever erase it." Moral of the story: don't value the things you have in your life, but value who you have in your life.
Okay, well done, Kiran.
Okay, ma'am.
That's great. So here I want to give some suggestions to you, Kiran. Of course,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
made a good startup. You have good reading skills. but there are some areas to improve. Like while reading a story, as we are discussing about the English and communication skills, while reading a story, we need to have a voice expression. మనం చదువుతున్నప్పుడు మన మాటలు అక్కడ ఉన్నట్టు లేదా అది ఆ ఇమేజ్ మన కళ్ళ ముందు జరుగుతున్నట్టు ఫీలింగ్ కలగాలి. సో అలాంటి మన ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇవ్వాలి వాయిస్ లో. మై సజెషన్స్ అండి, బికాస్ ఇది మీకే కాదు మొత్తం మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికి ఇది అప్లై అవుతుంది. అంటే మన రీడింగ్ స్కిల్స్ ఎంత డెవలప్ చేసుకోవాలి అనేది, బికాస్ డే టు డే లైఫ్ లో ఇవన్నీ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో రీడింగ్ స్కిల్స్ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. మన వాయిస్ అక్కడ చదువుతున్న టాపిక్ ని మనం అది ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కనిపించాలి, ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ వినిపించాలి, వాట్ ఐ మీన్. అండ్ ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అవాయిడ్ ద మిస్టేక్స్. అంటే అది ఫస్ట్ టైం మీరు రీడ్ అవుట్ చేయడం వల్ల కొంచెం టెన్షన్ ఉంది. సో ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ మీరు డెవలప్ చేసుకుంటే లైక్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ కొంచెం మీకు ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఐ సజెస్ట్ యూ ఆల్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ రీడింగ్ స్కిల్స్. ఒక 1 పారాగ్రాఫ్ తీసుకోండి, అది ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఉంటే స్టార్ట్ రీడింగ్ ఇట్. మిస్టేక్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయి అంటే ఆస్క్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లేదా ఆస్క్ యువర్ టీచర్, ఈ వర్డ్ ఎలా ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయాలి అని మీరు అడగండి. ఓకే, సో దాన్ని బట్టి మీరు ఓవర్కమ్ చేయగలరు. దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ కిరణ్ అండి, ఐఎమ్ సజెస్టింగ్ టు ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ రీడింగ్ స్కిల్స్. That is why I made this task for today. Of course, ఆ స్టోరీలో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోరల్ ఉంది, ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలి, ఒక బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఉండడం వల్ల ఉపయోగం ఏంటి అనేది అది టాస్క్ అండి, ఆ స్టోరీ అండి. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ కిరణ్. I hope you all have understood that what we have done. We are going to conclude this session. Please, sir. Thank you so much. Please mute yourself, Kiran Kumar.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Right. Okay. So, and I hope those who are attending for the exams, all the best to you all to present your exams well. And at the same time, you have to practice our things. And there is one more thing. Again, I'm reminding you for making your self-introduction video. Okay. You just approach your SPOC teachers. మీ SPOC teachers కి approach అవ్వండి. Self video ఎలా తీయాలి ఏంటి అని instructions వాళ్ళకి forward అయిపోయినాయి. If you have any doubts, please question me or please approach me tomorrow. I'll give you the guidelines how to make a selfie video, like self-introduction video, right? So I don't want to waste your time and you all running out of the time. So have a great day for you all. All the best for your exams. Bye-bye. I'm signing off. Have a great day to you all, my dear students. Thank you. Bye. Signing off. Anything else to you, sir, to share?